They created me, but they cannot control me. This ends now.
Rough night, huh?
You'll get used to it.
Scarlett Johansson, Ghost in the Shell, rated PG-13.
Should I leave you? Don't know if I could. Should I still love you? Maybe I should. Should I always be looking over my shoulder?
None of this has ever been attempted before.
Flying a helicopter takes a lot of skill. To put someone like Tom into a situation like this is almost impossible to imagine.
He came to me and he said, we're going to go to Airbus and we're going to learn how to fly a helicopter and be a 2,000-hour pilot in a very short period of time.
It takes something like 3 months of 8-hour days just to become a novice helicopter pilot. Tom needed to work round the clock to reach the level of skill this sequence needs.
There are very few students that have his level of dedication and focus.
Fly safely. Thank you. While most aerial chases you'll see from a helicopter, we don't usually turn the cameras in. So we've developed these rigs over the last couple of months where we can basically hard mount cameras to show that Ethan Hunt is flying the helicopter without anybody else.
Every camera position has been designed so that you can see that Tom is doing everything himself.
It's super important for a movie like Mission to be doing it all practically and for real. Tom doesn't want to sit in a green screen. The audiences can tell when something's been cheated.
First time we're doing it, gonna work our way in.
Make safe, Tom.
Make it safe.
All right, come on in, guys.
For safety, all the pilots get together in the morning and they discuss very clearly where they're going to be and what their positions are for every shot.
I'm going to look down and I'll take it over the waterfalls. I enter it right away. Let's go.
Back up, friends. Head to your helicopter.
The most dangerous part of the aerial sequence is really that there's more than one helicopter in the air.
We have 13 helicopters in the production. The ones on camera doing aerobatics just a few feet from each other. It's pretty wild.
I have you in sight.
Throughout the entire sequence, they all have to maintain visual contact. And then there's Tom. He's the pilot, he's acting, and he's the camera operator.
We're rolling and ready when you are, Tom. Copy that.
The scariest part was the 360 downward spiral.
Okay, so let's climb up and I'll guide down.
Most pilots wouldn't attempt this.
The corkscrew turn is very challenging for a pilot.
I'm gonna brake to the left.
It takes a lot of skill and a lot of practice.
We're good, we're rolling.
You make a mistake, somebody's going to die from it.
I'm gonna go.
And each spiral looks like he's going to crash.
God. Pitch.
Whoa, that's what I want.
How was that, McHugh?
Very upsetting here.
Well, I guess that's a trend.
Absolutely.
Jack Ryan is the year's first must-see movie.
You think this is game, Jack?
You gotta pick somebody to trust.
Jack Ryan, Shadow Recruit, rated PG-13.